Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. I'm Laura, and today I'm going to be creating this look inspired by Marvel's Avengers Infinity War. So without any spoilers at all for the movie, for those who haven't seen it, there's nothing spoiler related about this look. I drew inspiration from the 6 different Infinity Stones, which is a central plot point to the movie, but they also appear in other Marvel movies. There are 6 different stones, each one has a different power. The big bad Thanos wants to collect all of them so that he can rule the galaxy. And each one has a different color. Here's a picture of what they look like on the Infinity Stone gauntlet, so it's just like a glove that holds all of them. So I created this look inspired by the colors from the Infinity Stones, and I'll be showing how I got this look in this video. But before we get into the tutorial, please follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you haven't already, and also if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post 2 to 3 times a week, mostly makeup videos. Sometimes I do hair and fashion lifestyle videos, so please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can get notified every time I post a video. And let's just get into the tutorial. First, I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette, and I'm going to use this matte lime green shade. If you're wondering why there's specks of that red-orange matte shade everywhere, it's because I dropped this palette recently and a third of that shade just shattered everywhere. It's really upsetting because that one's my favorite shade and it's the most pigmented, so I'm really upset about that. Anyways, so I'm going to take that lime green shade and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of my crease. Okay, next I'm going to go into my JUVIA'S ZULU palette and I'm going to take that matte purple shade. If you want to see a full review and tutorial and discussion about this palette, I have a separate video where I go through all of that. So I'll link that here and also in the description box below. So I'm just going to take that matte purple shade and I'm going to put it next to the lime green and blend those 2 colors together. So next, I'm going to go back into Modern Mattes. I'm going to go into this matte blue shade and I'm going to put that next to the purple. Just add another layer because it's not the most opaque. And then next, I'm going to go into this red-orange matte shade that I was saying that I shattered accidentally. And I'm going to put that next to the blue and sort of form an outer V with that color. And just blend the top area lightly. So this is how it's looking. I probably should have put this red on my bottom lashes because it's super bright, and then the blue I feel like just gets lost. Let's see if I can just make it like a smidge brighter. Can't seem to get the blue and the red to blend, so this is as good as it's gonna get for that. So I guess now I'll move on to the lower lash line. So I'm gonna start off with this matte orange from the JUVIA'S ZULU palette, and I'm gonna put that just on like half of my lower lash line. take this, this matte yellow, also from the ZULU palette, and I'm gonna put that on the other half of my lower lash line. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. So I'm gonna take some Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lids. And I'm just gonna add some metallics to the shades that are in my crease and underneath like my waterline area, just to make them pop a bit more, because these are supposed to be sort of like gemstones. I'm actually gonna start off by going into my Juvia's Place ZULU palette. I'm gonna take this lime green metallic. Now I'm gonna go into my Foilized 2 palette and take this metallic purple. Now I'm gonna take this metallic blue. So now I'm gonna go into the single shadow from NYX. It's called Fireball. And then because I've had issues this whole video with blending the blue into the red, I just added a bit more of this blue and a bit more of this sort of smoky grayish purple right where the blue and the red meet, to try and blend those together a bit better. So I'm going to take this orange metallic and just run that where the orange is. I'm going to take this light gold color. I'm going to use that to go over the yellow. Okay, I'm like actually a little bit nervous because this might be like too smoky a look. What I'd like to do is sort of emulate the Infinity Gauntlet. So I'm going to put like a dark gold bronzy color, or not really bronze, but like a brass kind of color on my lids. And then it's going to be surrounded by the colors of the Infinity Stones. So I'm gonna take some of this Maybelline Color Tattoo Pure Pigments. So it's like a yellow gold pigment. And I'm gonna put that just in the center like a halo eye. And it sort of reminds me of the yellow Infinity Stone. I forgot what that one's called. So this is the final look. I really like the way this turned out. This is a lot even for me. Like, this is a lot of colors that I incorporated into a look, and I'm kind of like the way it turned out. So I probably could have chosen smaller eyelashes because I feel like this look is just completely overshadowed by my eyelashes right now. But I don't really have a whole lot of eyelashes. I have 2.5 pairs-ish. I don't really have a whole lot of options right now for eyelashes. The ones that I have are really big and dramatic. And I'm thinking about buying some really cheap eyelashes off of AliExpress or Shop Miss A or possibly Wish, we'll see. So if I do end up doing that, I will post a review of those. But right now that's all I have. So I'm kind of stuck with either doing this or just mascara, and I kind of wanted something a little more dramatic for this look. But anyways, I mean, I don't hate it. Like, I kind of like it. Definitely not an everyday look. This was just something for fun, something inspired by Infinity War, which I went to go see on the night it was released, and it was good. I liked it. Without any spoilers, it was well done. They were working with a lot of characters and a lot of different plot lines, and I think they managed to incorporate all of those without it being ridiculously overwhelming and feeling like it was too long. So good on you, Marvel. But anyways, I'm getting off topic. So this is the look. That's all I have to say about it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my tutorial. And I'll see you in my next video.